Morning everyone. In this video I will be talking about determinants, how to find 2 by 2 determinant and 3 by 3 determinant. What you help me do, please make sure you like this video and share it. Thank you and God bless you. Okay, before we begin solving I and I'm going to show you on how to obtain a determinant. Is that clear? Okay. Let us look at this. This means you have to find the determinant. Is that clear? Determinant could be of this one, either determinant of A, or this is a determinant of A. So whenever you come across a matrix of this one, they are asking you to find the determinant. Look at it. Look at this 2 by 2 matrix and look at this 3 by 3 matrix. They are telling you to find determinant. They don't need to write find, as you may write it this way, find determinant. Is that clear? This means you have to obtain the determinant. You don't need a prophet to tell you. Amen? Okay. So let's look at it together. Let me just show you on how to obtain a determinant. This is A11, A12, A21, sorry, A22. Amen. So if we are to obtain this determinant, note that use this to multiply this or use this to multiply this. Mind you, multiplication is commutative, true or false? What I mean by commutative, what do I mean by commutative is use this one to multiply this or use this one to multiply this. Minus, that is A11 times A12, A22, then minus this one multiply this. That is what I'm trying to do. This one multiply this, then minus this one multiply this. That is what I'm trying to do. Do you understand? So minus this one multiply this or this one multiply this. Multiplication is commutative. That is A21 times A12. Amen? So this implies that this will give you A11, A21 minus A21, A22. A11 times A22 minus A21 times A12. This is the answer. Is that clear? So now we are going to apply the same method here to this one. But although this one is a little bit different. Is that clear? But I'm going to show you. Let us have this one, since it is a 3 by 3, A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Amen. If you are to obtain the determinant of this, mind you, we will work with this plus, minus, plus. A11 is plus, A12 is minus, A13 is plus. So take note. So now, if we want to obtain the determinant of A11, it means A11, the determinant of A11 will now be, listen, this is row. This is row 1, row 2, row 3. This is column 1, column 2, column 3. That is, the horizontal is row 1, row. Then the vertical is what? Column. Take note. So the row of what? A11 will be covered. Then the column of A11 will be covered. So what are you saying? You are saying A22, A23, A32, A33. Three of us. This is how to obtain determinants of A11. So A22, A23, A32, A33 plus, mind you, plus, minus. So here will be minus, our A12 will be what? Determinant of A12 will be minus A12. Then the same thing applicable here. The same thing, we are going to apply the same thing. Are you seeing? So what are you saying? A21, A23, A31 and A33. So here will be A21, A23, then A31, A33, then plus A13, determinant of A13. So it implies that this will go. So you are saying, what are you saying? Look at it. You are saying A21, A22, A31, A32. True or false? So here will be A21, A22, A31, A32. True or false? So this is how to find 3 by 3 determinant. What you need to do is use this one to multiply minus, use this one to multiply any answer, use it to multiply whatever that is here. The same thing applicable, that is what I mean, A11, all in bracket, A22 times A33, this one multiply this one multiply minus this one multiply this, A32 times A23, is that clear? Minus A12, all in bracket, the same thing applicable, A21, A times A33 minus A31 times A23, then plus the same thing applicable, plus A13, then A21 times A32 minus A31 times A22. Amen. So by the time you subtract anything you arrive at, use it to multiply this. The same thing, anything you arrive at, use it to multiply this. Anything you arrive at, use it to multiply this. And that will be your determinant. So let us use the same approach to solve I and II. Is that clear? Any question? Amen. Okay, let's look at it together. Okay, let us look at II. Amen. Okay. So if you agree with me, let's write solution I. Determinant 5, 4 minus 2, 10. As I told you, it means we'll use this one to multiply this. That is either 5 times 10 minus 2 times this. Only back minus 2 times 4. I am using the bracket because of this minus 2. Is that clear? Supposing it's plus, the minus is not necessary. The bracket is not necessary. So this will going to give us 5 times 10 will give us what? 50 minus all in bracket minus 2 times 4 is minus what? 8. True or false? Okay? So this is equals to minus times minus. It will give us plus 50 plus 8, which is equals to what? 58. Is that clear? So the determinant of this gives us what? 58. It's simple as ABC. Then let us consider II. Our II, simple as ABC, the same way. 2, 3, 1 minus 1, 2, 3 minus 3 minus 3, 1. Amen. Okay. So if you agree with me, I told you that we are going to use the same method. We want to obtain determinant of 2. How can we obtain determinant of 2? Mind you, we are going with plus, minus, plus. So let us write 2, determinant of 2. It will cover the row of 2 and column of 2. Look at it. What are you saying? Just look at it. Look at the board very well. Amen. You are saying 2, 3 minus 3, 1, isn't it? Okay. 2, 3 minus 3, 1. I told you here is minus. Minus what? 3. Determinant of minus 3 will now be cover the row and the column of 3. this thing, look at the board very well. Minus 1, minus 3, 3 and 1, isn't it? So minus 1, minus 3, 3 and 1, isn't it? Then plus 1, determinant of 1, plus 1, okay? As simple as ABC. This one will give you what? Determinant of 1 will be what? Minus 1, 2, minus 3, minus 3. Okay? Minus 1, 2, minus 3, minus 3. Amen? As simple as ABC. So what we need to do here, our determinant of 2 will now be, use this one to multiply this, minus 3 times 3. So 1 times 2 minus, let us put the bracket because of the minus sign, minus 3 times 3. Then what we have here, minus 3. I hope you are following, okay? Then use this 1 to multiply minus 1, minus 3 times 3. That is minus 1 times 1, minus all in bracket, minus 3 times what? 3. Okay, amen? Do you agree with me? Okay, we are moving. Plus 1. The same thing applicable. Use this minus 3 to multiply minus 1, minus 3 times 2. So minus 1 times minus 3 minus open bracket because of this minus and minus 3 times 2 close brackets. Okay, so if you can see what I am saying, I'll break it down for you to understand. Is that clear? 2 open bracket, 1 times 2 will give us 2. Then minus 3 times, okay, let me just break it down for you for the sake of Malians. Is that clear? So here is minus, then minus 3 times 3 will give us minus 9, close bracket, minus 3, minus 1 times 1, it will give us minus 1, then minus, close bracket, minus 3 times 3 will give us minus 9, open, close the bracket, plus 1, open bracket, minus 1 times minus 3 will give us plus 3, then minus, open bracket, minus 3 times 2 we're going to give us what? Minus 6. Amen? Please, it is not 5. I know some of you want to say 3 times 2 will give you 5. It is not 5, it's always 6. But minus 3 times 2 we're going to give minus 6. But some of you want to write minus 3 times 2. You want to write minus 5. That is not true. Please take notes. Is that clear? Okay. Okay. So if you agree with me, 2 open bracket 2 minus times minus 9 will give us plus 9. Then minus 3 all in bracket minus 1 minus times 9 it will give us plus 9. Then plus 1 open bracket 3 minus times minus 6 it will give us plus 6. Amen? Okay. So now here we can now write 2 open bracket 2 plus 9 will give us 11, 2 of us. Then minus 3 minus 1 plus 9 will give us 8. Minus 1 means you are paying 1 now. Then plus 9 means you have it. So if you use that 9 to go and pay a 1 naira debt, how much will be left? Is it not plus 8? Are you still owing? No. I'm not paying. Then plus 1, 3 plus 6 will give us what? 9. So now the determinant of this 3 by 3 matrix is, let us multiply 2 times 11 will give us 22. Then minus 3 times 8 will give us what? Minus 24, isn't it? Minus 2, 4 is 24. Then plus 1 times 9 will give us what? Will give us 9, isn't it? 2 of us. So here we're going to give us what? 22 minus 24 will give us 2, isn't it? Minus 2, sorry. So here is going to be minus 2 plus 9. Then this will going to give us minus 2 plus 9 is going to give us plus 7, isn't it? Minus 2 means you are paying 2 naira. Then you later got 9 naira. You use 9 naira to go and pay your 2 naira debt. How much will be left? Is it not 7? Are you still owing? You are not owing. So it will be plus what? 7. So the determinant of this 3 by 3 matrix is going to give us 7. Is it difficult? Any question? No question? Okay, thank you and God bless you.